Hey guys, this is a 2005 to 2006 Lasko box fan. I got this at the flea market. It was only $5. It's in pretty rough condition, but it works. Still has the feet, surprisingly. It's very surprising. Got the dinky motor, but a little bit of a better dinky motor. It says 2005 to 2006 over there. It's hard to see, but it does. Trust me. Alrighty. Here is... Hi. It's a little dirty, so it doesn't hold much air, but it works. There's medium and low. It's got a lower low than the new ones. That's the thing about the older ones. It's a lower low, and it runs a bit more powerful. Actually, was quite a bit of air. So there we go. It's got the blue plug.